guys, it's Sarita and welcome back to my channel. My previous video was a lookbook video of about Diwali outfits and festive outfits that I bought this year. But suppose some of you don't want to buy anything new this season or don't want to buy any new outfits for this Diwali. What you can do is you can pick out some basic outfits from your wardrobe and just mix and match and make a new outfit out of it. So today in this video I'll be showing you how you can mix and match the basic outfits that you have in your wardrobe, like how I have picked out some basic outfits that I had in my wardrobe and I'm mixing and matching these outfits, and I'll show you how I make a new outfit out of it. So I hope you will get some ideas about how you can do that. Please watch the whole video and let me know which outfit you like the most, and if you got any inspiration to make something new out of your wardrobe from watching this video. So here I have taken a blue and gold dupatta, and for the top I have taken a basic pink kurta. It is a very basic kurta. Every one of you will be having a kurta like this. It has a little shine to the kurta, so I thought this will give a festive vibe to it. Then I took a pink top. This is a plain top. You can take a t-shirt also if you like. It has a little gold print on it, so I thought it will look good with festive outfits. I have also picked out a basic beige color blouse. It has golden thread work on it, so I thought this will look good. This will be there in everybody's wardrobe because this is the basic blouse that we use to mix and match different outfits with for weddings and all that. So this I think everybody will be having in their wardrobe. So I picked this out one out. Then for the bottom I picked out a gold palazzo. This is very broad. This has a broad bottom, gold palazzo. You must have seen this palazzo in my previous video. I picked this one out for the bottom part, and also I have a cotton silk white or beige color skirt. It's a beautiful skirt actually. I wear it very often. So this is a beautiful white color skirt that I picked out. Yeah, that's all. That's all. These are the basic outfits that I've picked out. So you go and pick out some basic stuff from your wardrobe, and we'll see how we can mix and match and make new outfits out of it.
For the first outfit, I paired the pink kurta with the golden palazzo and added the blue gold dupatta with it. The contrast colors of pink and blue was actually the highlight of the outfit. The whole outfit had a royal feel to it. You can either wear the dupatta on one shoulder or take it on both the hands, actually as per your convenience. And as for the jewellery, I wore this gold oxidized jhumka and a gold bracelet. This one, I ditched the kurta and wore a top instead. It looked awesome with the palazzo. You can wear as it is, or if you want you can add a dupatta also. I wore the same dupatta with this one also. And as for shoes, I wore a golden sandals, heeled sandals with it. You can wear juttis if you like, but I prefer heels. I also added a simple gold necklace and I was just good to go. So for the next outfit, I changed into a skirt instead of the palazzo. It looks beautiful as it is, but if you want to give a more festive look to the outfit, you can always add a dupatta to it. Here I have tried to drape the dupatta in a more unconventional way. I've taken small pleats on one side and larger ones on the other side, and I draped it round the skirt. It looks beautiful, guys. What do you think? Actually, I loved it. And this is the last outfit of the day. For this outfit, I have paired the skirt with a beige color blouse and added the same dupatta to it. Actually, if you go to see, I have worn this same dupatta with every outfit, and it goes perfectly well with each outfit. Something like this, a dupatta like this is actually a must-have in every girl's wardrobe. You can pair this dupatta with any outfit and it suddenly turns it into this special festive outfit, right? I've tried draping this dupatta in a different way. It's quite unique, it's comfortable and quite easy to carry. Here on the same outfit, I'm trying a different draping style. You can always try different styles with your dupatta. When you're wearing an outfit, when you change your style of draping your dupatta, the whole look of the outfit also changes. You know, you can create your own styles with your dupatta, and it will definitely make you look apart from the crowd. So simple modifications here and there can make a whole lot of difference to your outfit. It looks so beautiful and so unique. Guys, how do you like it?
So guys, I hope you liked it. Oh, it was so tiring, but I really enjoyed. I loved the whole thing. I hope you guys liked the outfits. Please mention in the comment box which outfit you liked the most. And please do like the video, and I'll be putting the photographs of all the outfits in my Instagram page. So please don't forget to go and check out over there the link. Link I'll be giving in the description box. So please go follow me over there. And suppose you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing and comment and like and do all the good stuff, and then we'll meet in the next video. Bye.